guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Lisa, and today I am doing the biggest trends and the biggest colors for fall 2021. So come with me and let's get started. Oh, by the way, this is a haul video as well. So I'll start by stores and we'll just go through and talk about the biggest trends and the biggest colors. We're going to start with the Dollar Tree haul first. And I'll kind of talk about why each element is part of our biggest trends for fall 2021 and the colors. And of course, we've got to start with all of these gorgeous velvet pumpkins. And the colors are pinks, deep purples, maroons, maroons. Oranges, blues, greens. I didn't get a green one, but they have a gorgeous green, okay? And that's one of the biggest trends is the velvet, okay? For the texture, it's so soft. And the colors, jewel tones are huge this fall. And guys, if you go back and look at the 80s, the pinks, the greens, the peaches, the mauves, the blues, those are all 80s colors. They were just pastels. Now they're jewel tones. But they are gorgeous and I'm excited. These all came from Dollar Tree, and it's such a nice addition to any decor because, like I said, it adds that soft texture. It adds that just beautiful jewel tone color. I also got two of these picks with the pine cones and the cotton on them and the little, I don't know what you call that. It's in the water. And there's a bunch of them. Anyway, cat's tails. I got these because they just add that natural element that we're going to need when we do the decor, especially using a rich fabric like velvets. Also got some picture frames that we're going to do a DIY with, so stay tuned for that. Okay, our next store that I'm going to show you what I got is Target. Okay. In Target, I got a bunch of these trays and chargers, and they're all natural because that's another big trend for fall 2021 is mixing natural with these rich fabrics. So this is one, it's a twine charger, and then we have a rattan. Of course, rattan is huge this year. Then we have a real wood one, and this one is heavy, and then metal, because the aluminum, the metal really sets off the farmhouse country vibe that is still very popular. Okay, the last thing that I got from Target are these rattan napkin rings, and they can be used for a lot of other things, so stay tuned with those. Okay, and then the last store we went to is Amazon, and that's where I bought a ton of everything from. And I'm so excited. I'm going to show you first. I got these blue and green and peach and orange pumpkins, white, all these colors. And these are true 80s colors, guys. And these are the hot colors for fall decor this year. And they are absolutely gorgeous. The next ones, of course, is the good old buffalo plaid with the burlap and the white. Still popular again this year. And then just because you want to keep it traditional sometimes, I got some traditional pumpkins and gourds as well. Now, all this is from Amazon that I'm showing you. Also popular are these aloe leaves. And again, this is 80s, guys. Back to the 80s. Aloe leaves. They will set off these 80s pumpkins, and I'm calling them 80s pumpkins, these blues and greens, peaches and pinks and whites and maroons. It will set off all those pumpkins beautifully. This leaf color just blends so well, but it also goes with your farmhouse or your traditional as well. And then I'm also going to add in some blue and orange, just little berry picks, just to add that extra pop of color here and there. I also got this fall bead with the wooden leaf on it. Also got a plain one that we've seen everywhere. This one I found at Amazon. Oh my gosh, it is apple cider. It is red, white, and brown, like caramel. Because it says caramel apple, not apple cider, sorry. And I just thought it's so gorgeous. But to me, it says Christmas more than fall because of the coloring on it. Because red is not really a color this fall, but it is for Christmas. So I love this one. Got it at Amazon. I think I'm going to save this one for Christmas. Also got a burnt orange blanket. I also have some burnt orange pillow covers for couch pillows, throw pillows inserts. And I will show you what I'm going to do with that. Then I got a roll of just art paper, drawing paper. I thought this will be great for This would be great for covering books in different seasons, different themes, and if I don't use the theme for the next vignette or whatever I'm going to use them in, I can change them. Big roll of it. It's going to come in handy. And the last thing from Amazon are these plaid orange plaid placemats. And I am going to take everything I've shown you in these hauls and put together vignettes for you or tablescapes so you'll see how I'm going to decorate. I'll also show you how I'm going to place the orange throughout my living room and dining room because they're connected, and it's going to bring your eye through the whole room. Instead of, if you just put an orange or a vignette, like say I do a traditional pumpkin vignette, okay, in orange, and I just put it in one spot, your eye's going to go there and it's going to die. It's not going to move around the room. So I'm going to show you how to pull that eye all the way around the room and back. And the last thing I've got, which I forgot in the Dollar Tree part, is a little bit more of a Dollar Tree haul. I'm running out of room. Okay, because I got 2 of these little candle plain mason jars. And I got 1 orange salad plate. And 1 sunflower plate from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to show you how you can style something like that. I'm also going to show you how to do a luncheon or a bridal luncheon or a wedding reception during the day, a fall wedding reception. So that'll be fun. But that'll be on my event channel. And I'll link it below when it posts, of course. But all of this, guys, I'm going to show you how to do on this channel. I'm going to show you some crafts that you can also do if you want to add a personal touch to all the store-bought stuff, which honestly, I think even though you can make beautiful stuff, you need that little bit of personal touch to it. So I'm going to give you my ideas of what I would do to make it just kind of pop a little bit more. Anyway, I hope you love the biggest trends, which are the blues, the pinks, the peaches, the whites, the greens, all together, 80s colors. Some more biggest trends that aren't pictured here. I know, right? I should have got them all. Candles, lanterns, those big chunky knit blankets. That's all part of this biggest trends for fall. And the colors are 80s colors. I'm in love. And I'm going to show you how to style it all. So be sure, and I don't ask this very often, but be sure and hit that subscribe button and check that little bell, click that little bell at the top, because you want to know when I post, guys. You want to know when you're going to see all of this haul styled into something useful and not just piled up on the table. Take care. Have an amazing day. Bye.